Do you have an error preventing the file sync shell library DLL from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. To begin the walkthrough for file sync shell library, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the file sync shell library, the file sync shell extension. It manages the unmanaged localized rendering of localized sync status, localized icons, overlays, in localized Windows Explorer for localized OneDrive, and localized SharePoint localized data links. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. This error suggests a failure in the underlying Windows architecture. Open Command Prompt with administrator privileges and execute sfc/scan now to restore core system components, including the missing file sync shell library DLL. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with file sync shell library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If you're still getting the missing interface error after the reboot, let's re-register the file in the system hive. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, legacy interfaces require an active registry entry to be recognized by the OS. Registering the file creates the necessary pointer for the software to initialize the component. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for file sync shell library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. For users who prefer structured maintenance, the link below references a tool related to managing file sync shell library dependencies. If this fix repaired file sync shell library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.